decided to hit up the recycling bin and channel some calming beachy vibes. Get ready for some seriously cute coastal decor and accessories made from things you'd normally throw away. So consider this your official invitation to the Upcycling Craft Party, where you'll leave calmer and more inspired. I can't wait to show you. Let's get to it. Professional craft foam can cost lots of money, which is silly because a lot of people get this stuff in the mail all the time. I'm going to use this free piece of foam to make nautical fish-themed decor. What? All you have to do is draw out your shapes, use a serrated knife to cut them out, and get to painting. You have a couple choices in the way that you paint. You can use a regular paintbrush like this, or you could use something a little bit more, let's call it layered. If you go this route, I think you'll find it deeply satisfying. Just have some fun with it. Smush things together, slosh some colors in. There's no wrong way to do it. Okay, so this is just me not wanting to waste any paint at all. So what I like to do is press down a piece of paper, a cardstock, something like that, and make a patterned piece of paper from the excess paint that I have. And then ta-da, I have something that I can use in my mixed media projects. Once your foam fish are dry, you're gonna wanna add some details like scales with an acrylic marker. And of course, don't forget to embellish with different types of textures like glitter and rhinestones. Even small pieces of paper would be really neat too. Assemble your fish by using pieces of pipe cleaner and your hot glue gun. Once they're together, you can hang them from just about anything. I hung mine from a cute piece of wood and some strung up wooden beads. I can't wait to hang this up for a beachy decor this summer. Next, we're turning up the heat, carefully of course. We're taking these plastic bottles and giving them a gorgeous new life as frosted faux beach glass. Look, I'm well known for melting stuff, and this project is no exception. However, I must confess that this beautiful faux beach glass was a happy accident, which basically means I was experimenting and somehow created something super cool. This one's a bit more of a process, but the results, totally worth it. I feel compelled to say that when you're melting anything, you should always protect yourself from invisible fumes and, of course, getting burned. Alcohol-based Sharpie markers are perfect for creating a beach glass look, but you're also going to need an opaque Sharpie marker or permanent marker in order to create grout lines in between all of your beach glass pieces. Seriously, how cool is it that we turned a plastic bottle into a beautiful faux beach glass sun catcher? Perfect for adding a touch of coastal elegance to any space without spending a dime. Hold on to those Sharpie markers and grab some of those plastic disposable containers because we're gonna create one of my most sought after products, the cutest mermaid and jellyfish bookmarks you've ever seen. These little guys are not only adorable, but super useful. A perfect way to mark your page with a bit of ocean magic. We're diving back into the recycling bin for humble toilet paper tubes. Get ready to see how I transform them into a charming clamshell home for a mermaid. Just cut out about 5 flower petal shapes and glue them into a fan shape. Now let's embellish with a coat of glittery gold, and then a foam ball for a pearl, and of course, a generous sprinkling of gems. Because no mermaid accessory is complete without treasures from the deep. My inner child is singing, "Look at this stuff, isn't it neat?" You know, from The Little Mermaid. This mermaid creation shows that you can make something truly special from the most unexpected materials. Last but not least, we're taking inspiration straight from the shore. We're turning beachcomb seashells into a ring holder, a gorgeous way to display our treasures and keep things organized with coastal flair. These ring holders are perfect for Mother's Day because you can decorate and personalize them in so many fun ways. Keep it easy with paint markers, or go for some sparkle with Mod Podge and glitter. I even used UV resin to give them a super thick glossy seal. Add little pearl feet to the bottom to keep it stable. Don't you think that these glittered shell jewelry holders are the perfect way to keep a little piece of the beach with you every day? They're so pretty and functional and a reminder of those sunny days. Which is your favorite? Mine, I really like these, but I also really like this. I can't wait to hang that one up. And it's so cute. Hope these 5 upcycled beach DIYs inspired you to carve out some creative moments and step away from the weight of the world for a bit. If you like this kind of stuff, I really hope that you will like and subscribe and comment. Let me know which one you like the most. Oh, bye.